What's up guys, AK with you today. A quick test of that gorgeous Pennsylvania paint scheme U-25B. Love them, they're really nice. So let's get started. Decoder lock sound, factory equipped, so should be no surprises. Address 3, and I'm using my lens system. Usually because lens I love for reading, just basic reading of CVs and finding out what's going on with the engine. But that should be no problem. Starting with F8, turn sound on. So no confusion, it has a sound of the speeder, and it's constantly, as soon as you turn the sound off, it will continue speeding. Okay, now lights, and function 5 is classification lights, correct me if I'm wrong, and let's run it. Speed step 1 out of 128. You see on the bottom near the front truck, bearings moving slowly. Sound is very nice. That's 28 speed steps out of 128, and of course you can adjust that rev up steps individually in CVs. You can make your own curve, and better use lock sound programmer because it will be much faster. Okay, now let's go over functions real quick. This is on 10, 11, not momentarily, so the fragment playing till you're holding it. Now it's just finished. That's on 18, 19, 20, 'So that's 20, and this was 10. So it's a bit different. Alright, now I'm shutting it down. The classification lights, they are not directional, right? I'm changing directions right now. You see headlight turn off and on, right? Shutting the sound down. F8. So hear that speaker, yeah? All right, and you hear a dog. Thanks for watching Supporting Business. Have a good one. Bye-bye.